If you guys do not have at least 4 credit cards on your credit reports, whenever you apply for another credit card, it should definitely boost and increase your credit score. Sometimes it will vary. Sometimes your credit will take a temporary dip, but a lot of times, as you guys keep paying on it, you keep the balance low, your credit score should go up. So if you don't have 4 credit cards, I definitely suggest you guys go ahead and get another credit card, and it can really help you boost your credit score. I don't care like which credit card it is, as long as it's reported to the credit bureaus and it's keeping the balance low. Now, I recently had somebody that's in my 60 points in 60 days. And while they was in my 60 points in 60 days, I told them to get credit cards. That's what we just did on the last one. Hey, you guys need to get credit cards. So she applied for the credit builder card, and then they gave her that credit card. But then don't forget, the credit builder card reports before you can get the card in the mail. So they reported that card minus the annual fee on that balance. Well, they took off the annual fee from the balance. So the utilization looked higher than normal. So her credit score actually did a little drop because it looked like she spent too much on that credit card. Her overall credit too. She got the kickoff account, and it's a higher balance on kickoff. I guess she did it so that she can have it for a longer period of time. So I just tell people, just keep the balance low on your credit cards, and usually I just think utilization is going to be the biggest factor in dropping the credit score. If you don't have 4 credit cards, your credit score should go up. So definitely check it out, and see if you can get approved, and try to get credit cards. You can pre-qualify without a hard inquiry, because that will